everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Melanie and I do a variety of hauls. Today's haul is a food haul and a cleaning products haul. I have been introduced to Mrs. Hinch over the weekend, like probably many of you who are watching this video, and I've picked up a few of the products that she uses. I couldn't pick them all up because A, I couldn't remember them all that I've seen her use, and B, Asda don't stock them all. One of the items I already use anyway. I'll show you which it is in a minute. So the first thing I got is the Duck Deep Action Gel in Pine. She raves about this stuff, especially the pine one. This is £1. I don't know if it's normally £1 or if it's on an offer, because I don't normally get this. I normally get the Harpic, but even though I've got Harpic open, I'm just going to use this in a minute just to see if it's as good as she makes it out to be. This is what I buy now and then. Flash bathroom, Mrs. Hinch raves about this stuff. I've always used it, but I just generally pick it up when I see it on offer for £1. At the moment I'm using the Mr. Muscle one, which is rubbish. This is absolutely fantastic, so I highly recommend it. I've got two because I've got two main bathrooms in my house, so one in each bathroom, so I'm not having to take one to and from the bathroom basically. Then she's not really talked about these that much, but she says that she has them in a toilet, and you could see them in the toilet when she was cleaning them the other day. So never heard of them before, never seen them before. They were £1. Again, I don't know if that's the normal price or not, but that's what I picked it up for. And again, it's the pine, the one that she raves about, and there's three. Got 3 toilets in my house, so one per toilet. Then I picked up a small bottle of Diet Coke, a small, well it's not small, it's a 1.5 litre bottle of Evian. I got some permitted potatoes, some Fibre One carrot cake bars. These are so yummy. I got a 1.25 litre bottle of Diet Coke, and then the final cleaning item is another item that she uses. I've not seen her use this that much because I've only been watching her for a couple of days, but it's the Sif cream with microcrystals, removes 100% of the toughest dirt, 100% shiny clean. Again, this was £1 as well. Not entirely sure how you use it, but I guess it's for bathrooms and kitchens. So I'm going to give that a try as well. And that is everything I picked up today. If you have any questions about any of these items, or if you want to know what I think about any of these cleaning products, let me know in the comment section and I'll reply. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification button, then you'll get an alert every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll be back soon.